Huge round of applause for the class of 2024. Studying in a college or university is like nothing you've done before and like nothing you will do from now. The friends you build are for life. But what I want you all to realize is that within each of you is a power to do things. And when you get together, that power is amplified. A single person is capable of doing things that no one thought possible before. And it starts off all with belief. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do things. Always have integrity in everything you do. Always be accountable in your work as you go out there. Be professional. Get things right. Be kind. Have empathy for others. And the key to happiness is very simple. It's gratitude. If you're happy with what you have, you will be happy. McKinsey has said something like 400 to 800 million jobs will be lost owing to automation. The half-life of skills has fallen from 30 years to 6 years. Some say in the technology-related fields to 2.5 years, which means what you learn today will be irrelevant in 5 years. So let's look at 12 things, 12 skills, and this will help everybody. Now the first one is adaptability. Darwin put it this way, it's not the strongest, nor the most intelligent of species that will survive, but the one most adaptable to change. So you have to be able to adapt as new technologies come in. Number two is lifelong learning. It is no longer learn once, use forever, which used to be the case. In my time, we learn something we can use for 40 years, 50 years, no longer. Gandhi put it this way, live as if you'll die tomorrow. So, learn as if you'll live forever. So each one of us has to find ways to learn. And because of that pace of change, I'm asking you all to pick up fast-track skill acquisition, a method of learning where you can pick new skills up quickly. Thirdly, leadership. The world needs leaders. Companies need leaders, business units need leaders, communities need leaders, countries need leaders. It is a skill set that cannot be ignored. So whenever you're out there at work and the opportunity presents itself for you to assume a leadership role, whether it's a project that you're on, whether it's you're shooting a small documentary, whether it's an ad campaign, jump in, take that leadership role. Learn as much as you can about leadership. If we have good leaders, this country will go that much further. We need you. Fourthly, collaboration. None of us can do anything alone. And I firmly believe that we shouldn't compete. But what you don't realize is this. Rather than competing, collaborate. Find ways to work with others. We collaborate with some of the world's best universities. We collaborate with learning platforms, the largest. We collaborate with some of the top 10 largest companies in the world, the tech companies. Why? Because we know on our own, we just do not have the capacity or the ability to do this. So we leverage off each other. So have a collaborative mindset as you move forward. Fifth, the last 2 years, you could not have gone a day without hearing the word AI. That's how fast it's picked up. So generative AI, look at it. Look at prompt engineering. It is not here to take your jobs if you know how to upskill yourself, reskill yourself. So start using generative AI. Things like Sora, for example, helps you to generate video on text commands. 6, digital technologies. You can't do anything today but embrace technology. Treat it as your friend. Use it to increase your productivity. Use it to improve your work. Next thing, my favorite, solving problems. I've always felt my job in life is to solve problems. And in order to solve problems, look at problems within. Look at society. Look at things like hunger, poverty, lack of access to education, all of these things. And all of these problems can be solved if you start developing skills in critical thinking, in creativity and innovation. And that's what you are. At IICT, you are all creative graduates. And use that creativity, use that innovation, push yourself to the limits. Then comes communication. All these years, ICT, the Creative Communication School. Nothing is more important than communication. Sometimes I think good communication can stop wars. Good communication can build friendships. You are masters at it. Master the art of communication, be it verbal communication, online communication, speeches, whatever it is, develop it. Project management. Now, your whole diploma basis is your PBL, your project-based learning approach. And that's something that ICT is very proud of. And that's something that's helped you become stronger graduates, demanded by industry. But what I want you to say is this: it is very important for all of us to develop project management skills. Everything is a project. Organizing this event today is a project. Building this building is a project. Launching a new ad campaign is a project. Coming out with a movie is a project. Everything is a project. So if you develop your project management skills, you will be able to apply them across so many activities in your career for the next 40 years. Personal branding. Each and every one of us is a brand. And one of the skills you need to develop is how you are going to build your brand. Brand you. Don't forget that. Every interaction you have with another person, be it online or be it in a face-to-face, in a meeting, is your brand in action. And I urge you strongly, and I tell you, there is nothing more important than making sure you build your personal brand. So when you go online, be kind to others. It's there for life. The next is social and emotional intelligence. You guys live in a time where you have everything. YouTube, multiple channels, multiple access, abilities to have fun. But you're also on 24/7. And then the worst part is the pressures. You put something, photo online, you got 3 likes, then your friend got 500 likes. Oh, pressure. Why nobody likes me? You have to build your own emotional intelligence, your EQ, that strength to deal with it. And it's not easy. We live at a time when depression is at its highest ever, when suicide is at its highest ever. Gratitude is important, being happy with what you have. Don't compare with others. You be the best version of yourself. If you are happy for the success of others, you will be a happier person. It's as simple as that. And the last thing you want to look at is resilience. Building resilience. Life is going to throw us a lot of challenges. It's going to throw us a lot of curveballs. You may not get that job. You may lose your job and be thrown out of the job market at a time of recession. Your business may fail. Whatever happens, that tenacity to come back, to fight. Life is not going to be a bed of roses for the next 30, 40 years. As it's been said, if you haven't failed, it means you haven't challenged yourself. So I always tell people, fail, but learn to fail. Fail and use failure as a lesson. Not fail and keep doing the same thing over and over again. We want you to succeed. We want you to go out and change the world. Once you're an ICT student, you're an ICT alumni and a student for life. We may not be around, but in there, know that we will be proud. Thank you.